Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect data to computer. So let's get started. First, enable Hotspot on your mobile. To enable it, open Settings on your mobile, and then click on the mobile service, and then toggle on the mobile data option. Once done, click on the personal Hotspot, and then toggle on the option that says Allow others to join. Once you toggle on it, your Hotspot will be enabled. Now, you can see my Hotspot name is Fix with 3 red hearts, and my Hotspot password is Internet. Now, once your Hotspot is enabled, to connect your PC from your mobile internet, simply click on this planet icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on the Wi-Fi to turn on it, and then here you will see your mobile internet name. Simply click on it, and then click on the Connect. And then enter your mobile Hotspot password. My password is Internet, so I type it. Once you type the password, click on the Next, and then click on the Yes. And after that, your PC will be connected to your mobile Hotspot. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.